Are you worried about your dog growling when you approach their food? Let's fix that together. Food aggression can be scary. But with the right steps, we can help your pup feel safe. Step 1. Teach your dog that your presence near their food means good things. Drop treats in their bowl while they eat. Step 2. Sometimes hand feed their meals. This builds trust and shows them you're a source of good stuff. Step 3. Use a command like wait before giving food to teach patience. It helps them understand that good things come to those who wait. Step 4. Never punish growling. Instead, make sure they associate humans with positivity, not fear. And remember, food aggression can be managed with love and patience. Ever dealt with food aggression? What worked for your pup? Comment below.